Hello ALS community, this is Nick Mormon from ALS News Today. In recognition of ALS Awareness Month, I want to highlight something that has been of particular interest in the ALS community, and that is the Ice Bucket Challenge. Well, this viral fundraiser began in 2014 to raise money for ALS research and awareness about the disease. It has since resurfaced and been adopted for other awareness purposes as well. I think it is great that many people are jumping on this campaign and continuing to spread awareness. But I also want to recognize that the Ice Bucket Challenge originated as a means of supporting the ALS community.